Hey guys, in this video, you're gonna learn how to put revenue in first position. Now, why is this crucial? Because there's so many times we hear individuals spending their hard-earned sacred funds on things they shouldn't be spending it on, things that won't naturally bring back a return anytime soon. When you're first getting into real estate, you've gotta make sure you put revenue in first position. Now, while you're here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you when we put fresh new content up, and let's dive right into this important category.
Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe this business is so incredible, and if I can do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
Hey guys, Cody Hofhine with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program in the nation. I'm excited to be with you because we're gonna break down why it's crucial to put revenue in first position, and what are the things that allow you to have that revenue in first position, and what should you not be focusing on. So many times when I ask the question of what do you need to do this year to 10x yourself, 2 times yourself, 3 times yourself, 4 times yourself, think of these questions. It's very natural for each one of us as entrepreneurs to think about all the things that we need to do. But I would challenge each one of you watching this video to not just simply think about the things that you need to do, but also the things that you need to say no to. That is the true growth, and that's where most of your development will take place. Don't just think about all the things you need to say yes to and do, but also think of all the things that you say no to and stop doing. So when we talk about revenue in first position, it's crucial that we think about what are the actions, what are the activities that allow us to put revenue in first position. Let's start by this same challenge of all the things that we should not be doing, that a lot of people fall into this trap and fall into the mistake of investing time, money, energy, and end up not getting any revenue back. So first and foremost, when we're talking to, whether it's students, friends, business partners, colleagues, we always have the fun question of, what are some of the things you're doing? And we'll have new individuals, new people right into wholesaling. They're just getting involved. They're like, hey, Cody, what logo should I put for my business? Wrong question, right? Or, hey, I'm making business cards. What should they look like? Wrong question. Or, hey, I'm already thinking about putting an LLC together, and I'm also looking at putting a website together. Wrong question. Really, what you should be asking yourself is, how many people have you talked to today? How many motivated sellers have you talked to today? How many offers have you made? And how many offers have been accepted? If you can just keep it very, very simple and put revenue in first position, meaning you need money to come in to survive. And that's going to require you to speak to a lot of individuals, motivated sellers, making a lot of offers so that you can get some of them accepted so that ultimately you can get paid. So here are the things that will drive business down and not put revenue in first position. Right out of the gates, don't worry about a business card. Right out of the gates, don't worry about a website. Right out of the gates, unless you're instructed by your attorney or your CPA, you can still do real estate in your own personal name. Check with your attorney, check with your CPA just to verify that. But ultimately, so many times we spend all of our time, energy in wrapping our cars with this beautiful logo that says, "We buy homes," or I just made some custom shirts that say, "We buy homes," and here's the number. Or I made this business card that looks like a $100 bill so it catches people's attention. Guys, those are things, if you want, add them later. But those are not gonna bring revenue in today. So if you are watching this and maybe you're guilty of those things, it's okay. Laugh it off. You're not the only one. There's a lot of people that do this and fall into this trap. But what I want you to do is stop doing those things and start talking to more motivated sellers, making more offers so that you can get more contracts signed or offers accepted and ultimately get you paid. As you grow and as you have consistent deal flow and as you have consistent deals coming in each and every month, you're able to pull a piece of that off every single time and maybe say, hey, I need a website because I'm gonna start doing pay-per-click. Or, hey, I'm always at the local real estate investor associations and people are always asking for a business card. Guys, still to this day, just so you know, I do not have a business card. In fact, just last weekend, I was speaking at Harvard. I was speaking to a bunch of CEOs, founders, and presidents of big companies and companies in general. And all of them at the end, they're like, hey, Cody, can I get a business card? And still to this day, I don't say, oh yeah, let me get you it. I don't have one. So what I do is, you know what? I don't have any business cards. So what I want you to do is reach out to me on Facebook, on Instagram, name your social channels. You don't need a business card. Still to this day, I've been doing it now 5 years, and I still to this day do not own business cards because business cards don't bring in revenue. I'm always thinking of where should I spend my time, where should I spend my energy, and where should I spend my money that will bring revenue back and put revenue in first position. That's crucial. Get out there and start listing all the things that you need to stop doing. Not just start doing what you need to do, but think of all the things right now that are spending time, energy, and money on that aren't necessarily bringing back revenue or putting revenue in first position. Make a list and start jotting them down and hold yourself accountable. Find someone in your RIA group, a spouse, a best friend, a mentor, a coach, whatever, and let them know what it is you're not going to do, what you're going to stop doing, so that when they see you doing it, you give them permission to call you out and say, we're not buying business cards. We're not buying a website this soon. Nope, we're not buying t-shirts right now. Nope, we're not wrapping our van or we're not wrapping our car in a We Buy Homes wrap. No, we're not doing those things. So that you can be held accountable, and when you see that you're doing all the things that you should be doing and you stop doing all the things that you shouldn't be doing, you're gonna see money start coming in consistently so that you can grow this real estate business the way you want to. Now guys, while you're here, I also want you to comment down below. If this is your first time hearing a video from us or seeing us here on YouTube, I want you to put down below in the comment box, first time. If it's someone that's come back for the second time or you've listened to us before, put I'm back, okay? Put those in the comments. If you have any questions about where you should be spending your money, put those questions down below. I read every comment. I love taking time to make sure that I help you guys out, serve you guys, and make sure that your wholesaling business is absolutely growing and going the right direction. Comment down below, I'll chime in, and I'm gonna see each one of you on our next YouTube video. Take care.